Hi guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. Now, here's another example that I already made last night. It's not that stretchable, and it is, oh, come on, buddy. It is a little bit hard, maybe, I don't know. So, see, it just kind of breaks unless you roll it up to a ball or whatever. It's slime, so you can call putty. I don't really care. So yeah, just give me like 1 minute. Okay, so you guys will need some either powder, baking soda, borax, or anything most likely. Let me set this down. Then you will need, don't judge me, some of this. Maybe. And then we're going to need some glue. Okay? So, you can ask any different kind, and then, I don't know. So, oh, and include toothpaste in certain kind. It's going to be these two. See? Chlorophyll. I don't have that much left, so I'm sorry. So, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is have some kind of bucket. Now, this is the bucket I used for my other slime, but you could use it either way. So, I'm going to set this down. Actually, no, I'll put it in the sink. And do not add any water to this. It's bad if you do. So, I'm going to take, and I used some of my own toothpaste, 3 different colors, but, I'm not going to do that. So, let me just do something real quick. First, I'm going to use some of my toothpaste. Okay, see the bucket? Hope so. And you can find this at any local store that has toothpaste. And now I'm going to use some of the chlorophyll, whatever. Just open it. Open this one. Okay, so to add some of this to it. Oh, not a lot to it. So. Now I'm going to add some whitening toothpaste. You can use either one white toothpaste. Okay. And then you want to use a stirring utensil. I'm going to use a little bit more. Just a little. And then I am going to get my stirring utensil. So just wait 1 minute. And you may use anything to stir it. I'm sorry if you guys can't see very well. I'm upstairs.
Alright, I'll see y'all later, okay?
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just saying bye to my dad because he's not leaving. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to grab some powder because these are all chemicals. So, and I'm sorry guys, this is not edible, so don't try to eat this. You want to add a lot of powder to it so it doesn't get too liquidy too. Not too much. And you're gonna need a lot of powder, so, or whatever you're using, that's kind of powdery, you know. And this is the reason why mine is so dry. And tell me what color is yours turn, because some people might not be that color. No, I'm just gonna flood it. Where'd it go? Oh. Right there. There you go. Oh, see red spot. If you want a lot, add more of the red toothpaste. A little bit more, some more. Have a lot of powder in it too. There. Stick in the middle just went off. I'm kind of upset about that. There. I might turn a little bit more red this time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna mix it. And just try and keep mixing it. Now I'm gonna let you guys hang on a minute while I keep mixing it. So